Well, that's drying, and it's really about dry, but I thought, why not come in here and build the floor? So we're gonna build the floor. Got some pretty stout plywood right here. We're gonna cut it down to look like that here. That's only half of it, but you know, we had to make some adjustments. So while my help just kind of takes it easy, you're gonna have to watch me work. I tell you this, I should have cut out the drop down because this thing plopped right in. No adjustments necessary. That never happens to me, and it happened, and I'm just so proud right now. I'm telling you. But be that as it may, it went in real nice. It's got a kind of a weird rear end here. Just kind of stops tight right there. And then there's that bumper under there. So it's really going to be kind of straight down to a point on this one. Now on the front, everything is copacetic. We're cool there. So I have got to put that piece across there, those pieces in there. Of course, after the drop down. I like to do the drop down after. Now we got to put some pieces in here, and usually it's one long piece if you remember, but this 63 has these coming all the way to the back. And if I pulled this all the way, you know, another 2 inches to put that piece in there, the one continuous piece, it's gonna cover up this bumper. Why are we covering up the bumper? We got a bumper, you know, let's use it. I mean, don't use it, but you know, in case of using it, let it do its job. So, yeah, that's where we're at. We got to run to Home Depot. I've got a refrigerator that came in. I got one of those real nice Frigidaires like we've been using. $60 off. And I was like, man, I got to order one of those. So we're going to use that in here. I do like a bargain. And we're going to get the vinyl. And I do not know what vinyl I'm going to use. I may use what we used over here. And that rustic taupe, I think it was. I don't know. I'll have to think about it. But I liked it. I think I'm going to go look at it right now before I leave. I'll update you. HR. Shop inspector today. All right. Got the drop down in. This is a much smaller drop down than I had ever built on any other Scotty, believe it or not, because it doesn't go out the door to start with. And they used to just run it all the way to the edge here, and then you would have to build extra for the potty closet. Well, we solved that problem today. Here we go. I put the undercoating on it ahead of time. You can see where I hit it double time on the seams. So got it measured, got it test fitted, and it is going to drop down in the drop down. Should not be an issue. I will get that then installed, and I got a deal. I wasn't anticipating a deal, but look at this. Very dark vinyl. It was like an end roll, you know? It's half price. And I like dark. You know, I do like the dark flooring. I really was going in to get that rustic taupe. That's what I was thinking about, but I think I can work with this. Definitely. Of course, you don't see much of it. I mean, you'll see up through there, and then it stopped there, and you'll see some there. That's all you're going to see. The rest of it's really just kind of waterproofing, in my opinion. But we're ready to go. Ready to go. I think what I'm gonna do is get that installed, and then I'm going to install the vinyl, see how it looks, and then that will probably be it for today. I went ahead and took out the jack that wasn't working. I still need to grind that down and safety, non-safety chains, but drop downs in. I do like this. I always do like a dark floor anyway. Everything's drying, looking good. That really did take a lot of vinyl and a lot of glue. I was kind of shocked, to be honest with you. I don't know. I just been working on the smaller ones, I guess. But it's ready to go. Got a little trimming to do here and there. Making sure everything sets up nice overnight. I'm sure it's probably almost already dry. But it makes me happy. So, there's our next step.